Want to know one of South Florida's best kept secrets? What if your dream home was already waiting on a golf course with a brand new roof, resort-style pool, and absolutely zero renovations needed? Stick around because this isn't just another listing in Tamarac. It's the kind of home people fight to get their hands on. Come on in, let's go check it out. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath beauty is turnkey and located in the sought-after Woodlands Golf Course community. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the soaring ceilings, open layout, and natural light pouring in through the impact windows and doors. The kitchen, it's a chef's dream. Modern lighting, sleek appliances, a built-in wine cooler, and all with what used to be a golf course, it is now the perfect green backdrop. It's a perfect place for cooking and entertaining. Now let's talk about this backyard. An incredible pool, a large patio, all overlooking the green fields and lush gardens. Whether you're throwing the weekend parties or enjoying a quiet coffee at sunrise, this outdoor space, it's paradise. The primary suite has not one, but 2 walk-in closets and a spa-like suite bath that feels like a 5-star hotel. And your guests, they'll love having their own private bath in the 2nd bedroom. This home was built for comfort, luxury, and function. And here's the kicker. The HOA is just $83 a month, which includes your lawn care, trash removal, and recreation facilities. All the benefits without the headache. Let's talk about location. You're in Tamarac, just minutes from Fort Lauderdale. Major highways, shopping, parks, and top-rated schools. 5 miles away from Chase Stadium if you like to see Messi play before he retires, or just 9 miles away from Lauderdale-by-the-Sea. This is a safe, vibrant, and beautifully maintained community where people love where they live, and it shows on every block. So if you're looking for your own slice of South Florida paradise, this is it. Call me today to find out what's hitting the market next, because homes like this, they don't last long. So drop a comment below or shoot me a message. I'd love to give you a private tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next dream home. Until next time, I'm Michael Valencia with Immaculate Realty, helping you love where you live.